Hey everyone, want to change your Huawei Wi-Fi password? Whether for security or convenience, updating your password is quick and easy. Here's how to do it in just a few minutes. Changing your password helps keep your network secure, prevents unauthorized access, and makes it easier to remember. It's recommended to update your Wi-Fi password regularly to protect your personal data and prevent unwanted users. Before you begin, make sure your device is connected to your Huawei Wi-Fi network. You won't be able to change the settings without being connected. Now open a web browser like Chrome or Safari, then type in the address bar type 192.168.1.1 and, and press enter. This will take you to the Huawei router setting page. Then you will be asked to log in. The default username and password are usually admin and admin. If that doesn't work, check the sticker on the back of your router or contact your ISP. Once logged in, go to WLAN settings or Wi-Fi settings. Here you will find an option to change your Wi-Fi password. Enter a new password and make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Click Save or Apply to update your password. Your router may restart and you will need to reconnect your devices. For security, avoid using simple passwords like password 123. Instead, create a strong password that's difficult to guess. And that's it. Your Huawei Wi-Fi password is now updated. Make sure to reconnect all your devices using a new password.